All right, so welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite BBW baddie, Slammy Z, back in the building, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to create this cute soft look.
You gon' pick up on the first ring. We got it right around my damn finger. I will never tell us so. Oh no no.
Bring it back.
We won't waste no time.
Everybody problem. Everybody want to learn how to do a natural beat, but they don't want to put the work in. So I just put the work in. All you gotta do is watch the video. All you gotta do is watch the video. So sit back and relax, and I'll be right back. Love y'all. Okay, so because I've already showered, my face is pretty much clean, but I am still gonna go in with some witch hazel just to clean it off. And the next thing I generally like to do is to moisturize. So this right here, y'all, Neutrogena Hydro Blast Water Gel. I am so in love with this. Just love how this feels on my face. Like, it's a water-based gel, so it just makes your skin feel so hydrated. So then I do like to go in next with my Ordinary moisturizer, and that's just because I'm a sweater. Like, I sweat heavy, so I need to make sure that the skin prep is all the way popping, so later on tonight, if I be sweating or anything like that, I don't gotta deal with no runnage or nothing like that. Everything is just gonna be locked into my skin. So y'all should already know, if you've been here before, the order of the operation that I like to do my face is my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, I like to get the lashes on, and then I like to complete the face. That's my order. This is the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. I really like this brow pencil. First, I like that it's so small and it's retractable. So I really like this. And y'all know, you just want to go and start carving out your eyebrows. So you make a line under, and then you make a line on top, like so. And I normally like to connect the tails, and then I just fill in the brow just to darken it up a bit. You see how quick I did that? Now I'm gonna try to do this one like that. It probably ain't gonna be that quick, but we gonna see. We just really gonna see. This is actually my problem eyebrow, and I got a bang. So if they don't look the same, I'm going to flip that bang, and that's all. That's all. I am not opposed, because with the concealer, I can fix this. I can fix this to make this look like whatever I need it to. So now I am going to go in with my Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Warm Sand. I really like this concealer. I like the coverage on it. It's really like full coverage. I'm just gonna put some of this on this flat Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M432 brush. So I'm just getting a nice little piece of concealer onto that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start carving out my brows. All right, so yeah, when I be that close to my eyebrows with this concealer, I cannot talk, because I do not want to add too much, add too little, so I just really had to shut up. All I did was carve my brow out, and now I am going in with this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just buffing that concealer out. So a little bit more. just a little bit more onto my lid. And with my sponge, I'm just gonna tap in. This is the Morphe bronzer in the shade Venom. And this is a Morphe brush. I don't know which one it is because they don't have the name on it no more. But all I did was literally tap, tap, tap. And all I'm doing is pressing. And the reason I'm pressing is because I really want that color pay out. So now that I have the color to my liking now, I'm gonna start blending out. If you need to blend like these harsher edges and lines, you just wanna go with some circles. The circles always do the job. Now that I got those two on, I'm gonna go in with this darker bronzer with another Morphe. This is a Morphe brush. I remember this is from like the Jaclyn Hill palette though. I got this so long ago. And I'm literally just gonna press this like right into here. And that's just to darken the eye up a little bit. So now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. I just like to add a coat of mascara so that way the lashes adhere, like the strip lash will adhere to my real lash just a little bit easier. We're just gonna use these, okay? It's like a little wand, and I literally just put the glue right onto my lash line. So now I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna use my tweezers and my little handy dandy mirror, and I'm gonna use this to pop those right on. All right, so now this is my little cotton pad that I used to wipe my face off earlier. I'm just gonna go and wipe under my eye. I'll go in with this baby skin first. Make sure to really get that under my eye. Reason why I really like to make sure that I'm getting it under my eye is because I always crease under my eye. So I noticed that when my under eye is like super primed and super hydrated, and then I don't crease. So now I'm gonna go in with this. And the reason I always like to use this one is because I feel like this is just a dupe of this. These are the same things. This shit just costs more. Okay? They the same thing. You can't tell me that they not the same thing. Are y'all a makeup hoarder too? Like, this is clearly empty. Why do I still have that? I'm gonna throw it away. I'm gonna really throw it away. So now, I really like this one because this is like a illuminating primer. So it makes my skin look like glowy. Even though y'all know I do like matte, my skin still looks, y'all gonna see. I don't know, I can't explain. But all of these together are my holy grails, okay? I don't know about y'all, but me personally, y'all seen these dark under eyes. Okay, baby, look, just color correct. Literally, just color correct. Like, if you know you have dark under eyes or, you know, dark circles under your eyes, make sure you color correcting before you just go ahead and throw that foundation on or throw that concealer on, because it's just gonna seep through. It's literally just gonna seep through, and then you still gonna see all those little imperfections that you was trying to hide. So color correct. I promise y'all, if y'all never did it before and y'all start, y'all gonna really like it, and then y'all gonna be like, see, so you mean to tell me this whole time I ain't been doing that because nobody told me to do that? Yeah, that's exactly what happened, sister girl. That's exactly what happened. Because now I need to carve out the top of my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna use my foundation to do that. Look how that looks. Smoked. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it. Lola knew what she was doing when she made that song, because don't play with it. Like, one thing that you should never do is play with me and my ability to slay my motherfucking face. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to start making little dots on my face with foundation. And now I'm just gonna go in with the Real Techniques 200 brush, and I'm really just gonna start pressing it in. Yeah, don't forget your neck, y'all, because sometimes I be seeing y'all be popping out with y'all makeup done, and y'all be wearing outfits that be having your neck and your chest showing, and baby, you be completely not the same color all around. So drag your foundation down. Like, if you ever need to, drag it down. Don't be scared. So now I'm gonna spray, and then I'm patting again. Not to boast, but do y'all see how good my foundation looks on my face? Tell y'all, if you prep your skin right, once you put everything else on, it's gonna slide on like butter. Y'all know that's my favorite thing to say, like butter. So now, I'm just gonna start getting this lighter concealer on, and that is pretty much where I want my face to be highlighted. Get my nose, get under here, get my chin, get my little forehead, and make sure I got my here. When I tell you, this little concealer right here be doing exactly what I needed to do. I mean, doing exactly what I need to do. So now, I'm just gonna map out my contour placement. Y'all know y'all can't forget that nose. Then I'm gonna move my scarf back just a little bit. I'm gonna let this sit for like 2 minutes. So I'm gonna go do something. I'm gonna come back, and when I'm ready to blend everything out, I'll get back with y'all. I just checked the time. I got somewhere to be. So let's get this show on the road, baby. So first, just literally pressing this contour shade in. And the reason I'm able to press this shade in like this is because y'all see how I put it on my face. I literally put it where I want it to go. So if you lay your products down right, when it comes time to blending, it's gonna do whatever you intended it to do. Now, the fun part. This, I use a brush, and the reason I use a brush is because I feel like when you use a sponge, the sponge soaks up so much of the concealer. I mean, so much. Do y'all see how that look? That was literally like 2 pats. I can go in with my sponge and just press them. Like so. Yes, that looks amazing. That just, woo. Yeah, the nose. All right. So just go ahead, get under that bridge. And now the same brush that I was just contouring with, I pinch it like this. Y'all see that? I pinched it. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Oh, yeah. Now I'm just about to do it to the other eye. Now, going with a little spray. Let's spray. I'm gonna get my powder on though. I'm gonna say. All right. So how you set your powder is you get it on a sponge and you literally press it in. I can get a little powder on the bridge of my nose like that. And then I'll powder all the areas that we put the highlighter. And I'm just going to deepen up the contour a little bit. So I don't do like the real heavy contour that I used to do. Combo. I line my lips with that brown pencil. And then I'm gonna put a pink on that. But let me get this powder off because I need to still fix my hair. So now I'm going in with my Morphe Filter Effect Finishing Powder. And I am literally pressing it in, swiping it away. Pressing it in, swiping it away. Swiping it. Spray myself like a crazy kid. So now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palette, and I use the same blush. I got some I got some new makeup that I want to play with, but I'm gonna do a different video to cater to the new makeup. Get a little bit of highlighter on here. Pink is my favorite color. My mascara. I'm going with my mascara. So the first gloss I'm gonna put on is, this is some lip gloss from my sisters, the Pop Lips. I can't remember the name of this one, but it's really just. And I go in with the Fenty. This is the Sweet Mouth. And we're done. I have to fix my hair. Shout out the hair. It's looking like. So I did curl my hair under here. And I just need to fix that. So I'm gonna clean this up and then I'll be right back. I did turn my ring light off because the natural light was just hitting, doing exactly what I needed to do. But facts of the matter is, I ate this look up. Here, my outfit is really kind of cute too. So You see me, girl? That was my mama. You know she always geeking me. But yeah, the outfit, the hair, the makeup, everything is doing is giving really natural tease. This has kind of been like my go-to looks, only because y'all, like, I really haven't been even in the mood to do makeup. So when I do makeup, I just want to be real natural and I just want to go. So this is my go-to look. If you guys like the video, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, what, sis? You want to help me on my journey to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized, so I can start getting money? Why you want to help me? You want to help me? I know. So subscribe to my channel because I need it and I love y'all. I hope y'all have a good day. Love y'all.